Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to track compliance training in Monday.com. First things first, we're going to set up our board. Here's the deal. Your board is like your command center. It's the place where you'll manage all your compliance training data. So click on the plus button on the left panel and select Create a Board. Name it Compliance Training and add relevant groups like employees, training courses, and completion status. Now that we've done that, let's add some columns. The reason we do this is to keep track of different types of information. In each group, click on Add Column and create columns like employee name, training course, due date, and completion status. This helps us because we can see at a glance who is scheduled for which training and their progression status. Next up, we're going to use the status column to track our compliance training. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you update the status of a training course for an employee, it changes color. This color-coded system allows you to easily identify who has completed their training and who hasn't. Last but not least, let's set up some automation. Select Automation from the menu. Then choose When a status changes to something, notify someone. This will automatically send a notification to the relevant person when the status of a training course changes. Let me explain why this matters. This feature ensures that everyone stays updated on the status of the compliance training, reducing the chance of any missed deadlines. And there you have it. You've just learned how to track compliance training in Monday.com. Remember, it's all about setting up your boards, adding the right columns, using the status column effectively, and setting up automation for seamless tracking. Until our next tutorial, happy tracking.